Grace Kitchens is pleased to present Creative Cooking, special editions for the festive season. Exciting recipes, traditional and new, for all the moments that will make your holiday special. And now, here is today's host.
Hi, welcome to Creative Cooking. Having family and friends over is one of the gifts of the Christmas season. Today we are showing you a variety of dishes that you can use as cocktail foods for your special guests. We have invited Karl Thomas, the chef technologist at the University of Technology and the top chef of the Grace Kitchens Invitational Challenge, to be our special guest. Hi Karl, welcome back to the kitchen.
Thank you very much, Maisie. It was my pleasure being here.
I know our viewers are just happy to have you in the kitchen. What do you have lined up for them?
I'll be doing 2 dishes. I'll be doing some samosas, which is traditional Asian type meal. I'll be preparing also another dish, which is a chicken breast that's going to be stuffed with yam, and I'm going to present it with some plantain and some malt sauce.
Okay.
I have some Earth Chef Veggie Mince already rehydrated, right? And I've already diced up my chicken breast. But what I'm going to do to this, I'm going to actually enhance the flavor of it. Just a little bit of fat.
That's enough to grease the pan.
Yes,
right?
definitely.
So you put in some garlic.
Yeah, some garlic and some onion,
Okay.
right? I'm going to cook those a little bit first before adding the scallion.
That's about a tablespoon of scallion.
Yeah, about a tablespoon of scallion. Right, so now my seasonings are ready. I'm just going to add a little bit to the Earth Chef Veggie Mince and a little bit to my chicken.
Okay.
So I'm adding some corns to the chicken, just to give it a little bit of variation. And I'm going to be adding some green peas to the Earth Chef mix.
Okay.
Right, I need a little bit of salt and pepper on it. This is my samosa dough, and it's actually a pretty basic dough. It's a combination of flour, salt, right, and the trick to it is just a little bit of warm water, and that makes it different. That gives the dough a little bit of elasticity, and also makes it a little bit puffy when you fry it. I'm going to use this little bowl here that you can find anywhere in the house. Right, so here I have the circles cut out.
Yes.
Right, I'm going to also cut these in half.
Okay.
To add a little filling to it. Right, so the technique of how to fold it, you would move the right side over to the left,
Okay.
here,
Okay.
right, and the left side over to the right,
Okay.
right, and all you simply do is just press on the edges. I'm starting to fry these, and then I'm going to prepare the chicken.
So you fold the right over to the left, left
over the right,
overlaps, and you see
and just
the
press
edges.
on all the edges.
Okay, right. So they fry in 5 minutes.
Yeah, or probably less depending on the temperature of the oil. Because a small amount, I didn't want to fry them too quickly and then they'll probably burn and not cook. So we're adding the ones with the chicken now. Alright, this is the chicken breast that I'll be working with.
Oh, you're going to stuff the chicken breast?
Yes.
Okay.
Right, I'm making a little pocket in the chicken breast itself.
Yes.
Just kind of hollow it out to insert the stuffing. Right, and we always remove items that have been fried and put it on a little bit of paper towel, you know, just to remove the excess oil from it. Right, I'm going to be using a piping bag or forcing bag, some persons know it as, just to put the mixture in. We just put the bag at the tip of the chicken here, and we just pipe the filling right in. Right, and then we season. Right, a little bit of
black pepper?
yeah, black pepper and salt. You don't want to keep it too complicated because the sauce is what's going to also complement this dish. Right, and then we add it to our pot. Okay, some green peas. Add our peas a little bit before.
Your green peas there?
Yeah.
Okay. And though it offers a different flavor, Chef, I suppose if you didn't have green peas and you had gungo peas, you may...
Gungo peas,
okay.
red peas,
okay.
anything. A little bit of salt and pepper as usual. So we process this a little bit, and then we add a little bit of our cream to it. Let's get around the edges. Good. This is how ready it is. It's straight from the processor into the serving container.
Quick and easy.
Let me just check on my chicken. The color is coming on very nice. Yeah. As I say, we don't want to overcook the breast. No. We want to keep it nice and juicy at the same time.
Yes.
Right, so we have our chicken samosas. We have our Earth Veggie Mince, or Earth Chef Veggie Mince, samosas also.
Excellent. Excellent.
You can garnish this, probably some little fresh cilantro. Cilantro is a very nice herb to use. A lot of persons in Jamaica are growing herbs now. So I'm adding a little bit of rosemary to the plantain mixture here. And this is actually VitaMalt, very unusual but very nice at the same time. So we have some plantain on top of here. Remember, you know, it's appetizers, so we don't want to make the dish too much. So just a little morsel that we prepare.
Small portions.
Yeah. Nice. Right, I'm going to slice this a little bit.
But you prepared some other dishes.
Yes, definitely I did. Okay, this one here to my left is actually canapé.
Yes.
Right, we have Grace sliced ham with a dressing on it. Here we have shrimp skewer. It's actually shrimp that has been wrapped with bacon. Take shrimp out of skewer and
bacon
drink
and
this.
shrimp, yeah.
Exactly.
Okay.
You know me and the pork already.
Right, over here,
our final dish here is actually a miniature version of Jamaican traditional escovitch fish.
Beautiful, Chef.
Thank you very much.
As always, you know, it's a pleasure working with you. You know, I think you should come on this program more often.
Thank you very much, Mia.
Chef, thanks for sharing these excellent entertaining ideas for the festive season. And I know you'd like to join the Grace Kitchen's team in wishing for all our viewers, you know, a very peaceful and a very holy Christmas season.
Definitely,
right?
definitely. Be careful on the roads. You know, a lot of accidents do happen. If you drink, don't drive. You know, that sort of thing. But please be careful whatever that you do in this festive season.
Make it a date to watch Creative Cooking. Special editions for the holiday season, presented by Grace Kitchens, every Tuesday and Friday, 7:50 p.m. on CVM TV.